Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. I don't think it gets much better than that. Well, actually it does. That's the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Protaras La Bouffe.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. Now, that is a view to die for. That's the view straight off the coastline of downtown Protaras, and we stumbled upon something that's quite unusual, because just over there is a bakery, and Protaras La Bouffe has decided that she wants something to eat. So we're going to have a wiggle and a waggle, and we're going to take you with us to the, how do you say that bakery? Zorba Bakery.
Yeah, we find out the Zorbas bakery in front of the beach. We never ever seen anywhere else the bakery just in front of the sea.
No, so we're going to go pop in, and Protaras La Bouffe's going to choose something. I'm going to choose something. I'm going to get yourself a hot latte. She's probably going to have an Americano, and we'd like you to come with us, because that's the view out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. We're on the coastal pathway along the Protaras coastline in downtown Protaras on the island of Love, which is Cyprus. There's works of art absolutely everywhere. It's a really great place to be. And just over there, if you look up in the corner, you can see the word Zorba, by the sea. That's the bakery. That's a brand of a bakery. It's a chain all over the island.
Not Zorba, but Zorba.
Zorba, there we are. She's correcting my Russian for me. So I'm going to follow the Zopa, which is the rear end in Russian, of watching Protaras La Bouffe up this pathway, and then we're going to enter the bakery, go for a little walk around. I'm going to choose what I want, she's going to choose what she wants, so I'm going to get a latte. Are you having an Americano, my dear?
Yeah.
Yes, there we are. Now, what was the point of buying that jacket? It's got no sleeves, so how could it keep you warm?
It's got a style.
Was it cheaper without the sleeves?
It's got a style.
Did it cost me less?
Yeah.
Did it? I like the
Because
hat,
there
by
is
the way.
no material used for
No
the
material. That'd probably charge me more. I like the pearls and the diamante effect though,
Me
that's for
too.
sure. Yeah, thought you would. That's probably why she bought it with my money. Anyway, here we are. That is the front facade. That's the exit. And that's the entrance. So, of course, as tradition goes, well, if you're new to the channel, here we go. We're going to follow the rear end of watching Protaras La Bouffe as we storm the bakery. There's some rather nice cans of Coca-Cola, which I'm tempted by. But what upsets me is when I see those next to those. Very upsetting indeed. Especially if you're a Coca-Cola with my English. The Port of Pepsi has stolen the words from me. Coca-Cola. Anyway, you can have souvlaki. What are you going to have, Protaras La Bouffe?
Let's decide, Mr. Paul. You obviously can have a sandwich of your style.
You can have a sandwich of your choice by the looks of it. I think in the daytime they must do hot takeaway food as well. So there's some of the ingredients that they can put in the sandwiches for you, and there's actually a sandwich in process of being made. Protaras La Bouffe has found something she likes. What have you found, Protaras?
It's a kupa.
What do you call it? Kupa. Which is?
Which is, it's mincemeat, like, in one word, tastes like chicken Kiev.
Chicken Kiev. Right, okay. So you're having two of those. You're planning on getting fat.
And you use it, you have it with a lemon.
Right. I'm going to pop over and order myself. Do you want a coffee or not? He's having a bit of lemon with it as well.
Lemon always.
I see. Are you having a coffee? No. So order me a cappuccino. I'll have a cappuccino. Hot cappuccino. And I'll have a wander around this part of the bakery and choose myself something savoury. Let's have a look what they've got. All sorts of bits and bobs. I think I'll have a croissant. I think I'll have one of them. You pop one of those in a bag for me. But as you can see, there's all sorts of little delicacies here. You've got baby sausage rolls. I understand those have got bits of cheese in. Those have got ham and bacon in. Those are like little pizzas. But I'm going to have one of those. Pop one of those in the bag, Protaras La Bouffe.
One or two?
One.
Will do?
That'll do me. Very nice indeed. I'm in a croissant mood to go with my hot cappuccino. Over here you've got ham pies, cheese pies, big sausage rolls, something else, more cheese pies, more pizza. Get me a piece of pizza as well, Protaras La Bouffe. I'm feeling hungry.
This one? Or pizza?
A pizza. I'll have a nice piece of pizza. Pop it in the bag. It's no wonder Mr. Paul's getting fat. There we are. Very hygienic. That's it. Nice fresh piece. There we are. Drop that in the bag. Look at that. And if you're very, very lucky, you can come and sit outside and watch us eat. Right, this is Zorbas. Have a look at that. True, true work of art. And look at the view over there. It doesn't get much better than that. Straight out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. So stick with us. It's going to be a very, very interesting video indeed. What are you choosing now, Chrissy?
Nothing. I'm just looking. I don't know. I don't think I need more.
Let's go and see if my coffee's ready. Do you want a drink of some description? Nothing. You want a bottle of water? I'll go and get her a bottle of water because I'm a bit of a gentleman. And I might even get a can of Coke because, you know me, I like a bit of Coke. So let's get back over there. I've forgiven the Pepsi salesman. We'll shoot him on the way out. That's the drinks cabinet. So let's get a can of Coke. That's that one. And let's get a nice bottle of water for Gusevia LaBouffe. And then let's get back over there and see if my rather nice hot cappuccino is ready. And there's nice mini donuts. I fancy some of them as well, to be honest. These are like little mini donuts that have cream in them. I had some of them the other day. They were very, very nice indeed. Gusevia LaBouffe is monkeying around looking for something else to eat.
What is this, Mr.
Cheese pie.
Yeah.
That's a cheese pie. You want one of them as well. So get my drink. There we are. That's my rather nice cappuccino. That's the coffee part. Specially made. And let's get to the man and pay the man. There we are. Let's go and find out how much it's going to cost me. That's us? There we are. He's going to zap everything. And of course, I'm going to cross his path with a little bit of my money. As usual, I end up giving him a €50 note. And they don't give me a lot of change back, but that's life. First off, it's a great, great place. I've never seen anything like this. I'm not saying there is a place like this in the world. There probably is, but I've never seen it. Certainly not in Cyprus. It's the first time. The view out of the window straight across to the blue Mediterranean Sea is truly, truly breathtakingly spectacular. And if you stick with us, we're going to pop out there, show you what we've chosen, eat some of it, and you never know. See, Gusevia LaBouffe has confused everything. You've confused everything, haven't you? Because you put two things in the same bag. There we are. You're supposed to put things in separate bags, but you know Gusevia LaBouffe, she never listens to a word that anybody tells them, so now we have to separate everything.
Sorry. No problem.
There we are. There we are. Each thing has to be with its own bag because they're going to weigh the little ones and they're going to price the big ones as well and all the other bits and bobs.
I didn't spill.
No, you spend my money wisely. There we are. As you can see, we've bought half the shop. There we go. As usual, we bought all the shop.
25 cents.
Have I got 25 cents? Let's have a look in the pocket. Probably. Let's have a look. Let's see what's there. There we are. Giving him €1. Much easier for his change. Let's take that little label off. Let's have my coffee. Gusevia LaBouffe will get my change and I'll take you for a wander outside. That's a great, great view. Now look at that. Blue Mediterranean Sea coming up. We're going to go and find somewhere to sit. And then we're going to show you exactly what we bought. And then, if you'd like, you can watch us eat it. A lot of people like to watch people eat. So let's see what Gusevia LaBouffe's got to say. We bought the shop, Gusevia LaBouffe.
No.
No, we didn't buy the shop. There we are. Where are we going to sit? Should we sit here? Then we're not annoying anyone then if we sit here. So we'll sit here.
No,
And then, well, Here. There we are. She never sits where she's told. We see the other booth. What did we spend this evening? 2, 4, 6. So we spent about 14 euros. There we are. So we got a coffee, a can of Coke, a bottle of water. She's had a cheese pie. She's had 2 sausages with mincemeat. I've had a piece of pizza, and I've had a croissant. That's a pretty cheap meal, to be honest. There we are. Put it all out, Gazebo the booth. That's my pizza. Lovely. Let's have a look. Now, forgive me for making a mess as I eat, but I'm going to have a sample of that. You want to know something? That's a very, very nice piece of pizza. Very nice. I think we now understand why they're one of the biggest bakery chains in the whole of Cyprus. Cut the branches in Cyprus, in Paphos, sorry, cut the branches in Protaras, 4 or 5 I spotted in Ionapa, about 20 branches in Nicosia probably.
You should did it like that.
Tasty?
Super.
Well, what is it again?
It's a minced meat inside. Maybe the assorted minced meat. And the round is like
like a batter, is it?
yeah, butter.
Pastry batter.
Yeah.
That's not what it is. Right. It looks quite tasty. Not to my taste. A bit too savoury for me, I would say. But that pizza, I mean it, really, really nice. Really, really nice indeed. Very light. If you look in there, the crust is even very, very soft as well. That was certainly baked today.
Yeah.
Very, very nice indeed. So, if you're wondering what else I've got in here, what else have I got? Oh, no, that's yours. That's your cheese pie. Oh, there we are. It's a bit windy in downtown Protaras today. So stick with us. What are those?
Cottage pie.
Cottage pies?
Yeah. Cottage cheese.
So it's cottage cheese in little pies. And then that one, I think, is the cheese and ham pie. Yeah. Now I've got a croissant somewhere. Just don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. And I've got a croissant. And again, that I've got my hand in the bag. As you can see, that feels very, very soft indeed. Wow, that is soft. Look at that. That is soft. Anyway, let me finish my pizza. So, if you're looking for somewhere simple and fast to eat, this could be that place for you. How do you say the name again?
Zorbas.
Zorba. Zorba Bakery. That's its view off its terrace, straight out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. There's a swimming pool over there. Perhaps that's not theirs. And they do appear to have a raised terrace, but again, perhaps that is not theirs. But it's a very, very strange bakery experience, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And it's tasty. It's tasty.
Yeah. So, it brings new meaning to the word fast food. Unless McDonald's wants to open a branch on the beach, I think that the Zorba Bakery has one-upped one. And of course, we've got a Gumbaru. We always get Gumbarus appearing whenever we're around. He says, hello, how are you? He says, hello. Let's see if he wants a bit of pizza. Here you go. Gumbu. Gumbu. No, he's obviously a very, very well-fed cat because he's decided that that is not good enough for him. Do you want that or not? No. There we are. You can tell he's a very, very, very well-fed cat. Is it tasty, Christina?
Very tasty, yeah.
Well,
I would say, yeah.
so by driving you to Protaras, I've actually saved a fortune.
Yeah.
Because normally
Really?
we'd go and eat in a fish restaurant,
Oh dear.
and I'd spend 60 or 70 euros.
You're a clever man.
I'm not stupid. Well, I am actually. That's why I wear a blue hat and a blue pair of sunglasses. But luckily for me, I happen to have captured the heart of the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Miss Ochin Kushibia Labu.
I would like to tell you many times thank you, and you should come and discover these lovely new places together with us. Don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses, and again many thanks and many kisses.
So of course all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and if you do really like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, come back for a little bit more of our madness. You've got a municipality car park right there. And then just over there, as I'm sure you can see, you've got the blue Mediterranean Sea. I don't think it gets much better than that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.